Okay, so all of y'all know about, well, maybe you don't know, but they just dropped a whole bunch of mosquitoes on the black community, and I think what is Chicago or Baltimore? One of the, I think it's Baltimore or some festival or whatever. And they've been dropping stuff on people for centuries, but look, he's just so nonchalantly just dropping malaria mosquitoes in the hood.
It holds things back so much. Now, malaria is, of course, transmitted by mosquitoes. I brought some here so you could experience this. We'll let those roam around the auditorium a little bit. There. There's no reason only poor people should have the experience.
Wow. Only poor people should experience it.
Those mosquitoes are not infected.
Watch. Oh, it gets greater. Watch this. Watch this.
Inside boxes like these on the Florida Keys, a possible key to what scientists hope will slow an invasive and dangerous mosquito species. They're called Aedes aegypti and are known to carry diseases like Zika, dengue, and yellow fever, the females spreading infection with their bites.
In the Keys, they make up just about 4% of the mosquito population, but are responsible for virtually all of the mosquito-borne disease transmission to humans.
The potential solution starts at Oxitec's lab, where tiny eggs are injected with a modified DNA strain, ultimately producing mosquitoes that have what's called a self-limiting gene. Only the male offspring can survive past an early stage. The boys, unlike their female counterparts, do not bite.
They run out of females to mate with, and that's how you bring the population down.
This week, Oxitec began the process of releasing 140,000 male eggs in 6 locations along the Keys. That is part of a live experiment greenlit by the EPA.
Oh, wow.
Though some environmentalists are crying foul.
Genetic engineered organisms are not something that we can control. Evolution will find its own way.
This isn't disrupting anything within the environment naturally?
We haven't seen that, no, and we are targeting the Aedes aegypti that is invasive.
The company says similar projects in Brazil led to a 94% reduction of the targeted mosquito population and point out their research is peer-reviewed. Locally, residents buzzing about benefits and risks of unexpected consequences.
My gut feeling says it's probably not a good thing. You know, we don't know enough about it.
The EPA says they conducted an extensive risk assessment based on the best available science and does not expect the trial to have adverse effects to animals in the environment. Does this represent the potential for greatly reducing the amount of Zika or dengue fever that's prevalent in the community?
We hope so. That's why we're doing this.
So you up here releasing genetically modified bugs, like I've been said. Remember they was talking about them horse flies that's biting through people's clothes and biting through their skin and eating them. Let's go. So he's releasing the malaria mosquitoes, the Zika mosquitoes. And then here he says we need to be prepared for the next pandemic. So if you're releasing deadly bugs and genetically modified bugs and diseases into the air, into the population, then what the next pandemic looking like?
If there's one less.
Let's go. This person is in control of a lot of stuff. He was the main one talking about we need to get those little needles in those little arms and make sure kids are vaccinated. Y'all stay up.